Hey guys, I got my first order from the new catalog. I just want to share it with you as I open it up. I'm just checking to see. Doesn't seem like I'm on. All right. Well, I know I'm on here. So anyway, this is exciting. I got it today. I know it's kind of late for me to be on here, but tomorrow we're going on, my husband and I are going on a day date. It's during the day, so it's not a date night, it's a date day. All right, so on this, our new catalog, we have several. We got a lot of new stuff. So let's see. Let me start with some of the surfaces. We have these. I'm gonna try these. Are the simple shapes. It's a rectangle. Oh, of course I've got this upside down. Let's put that around. Sorry about that. Okay, simple shapes. They are 5 by 12, and there's 2 of them in here. It's like I don't even know if that's a 1/4 inch. That's more of a, yeah, maybe a 1/4 inch. No, an 1/8, about an 1/8 of an inch. And there's a base for this. I know a lot of you are used to our board and base, which is one of our best sellers, because it's so affordable. Well, they have the base for these that are very similar. It's these. So you can put these in here and stand them up. Let me open one up real quick, if it is real quick. I'll show you. It's made out of MDF, but it's made to look like wood. It's got the grain in it, if you can see that. And it's double-sided, so you can do it on both sides. Let me show you how this works. Especially holiday time, or if you want small signs. I think I ordered a transfer for every day and also one for holiday. Now a lot of the holiday I didn't order this time because I'm still in summer mode. And I know for crafting, Christmas in July is big. But I'm not quite ready for that yet, so I thought I'd do this first because there's so much new. All right, the base, see, that's how it goes. Holds it up. The base is a little bit on a slant, which you can tell when you put it in here. So, cool, right? I love it. So it could be everyday sign that you want to put up in a grouping with other things, or there's just a whole bunch of different things you could do it. Or holiday, anything you want. I love that. Okay, what else? We got several of those. We have new box frames. These are 3 by 3, I think. Yep. 3 by 3 square, and there's 4 little ones in here. And they can be double-sided. However, they don't have the frame part on all of them, just one side. Like this, and all the rest of them are this way on both sides. One's white and one's kind of a tan color. This one's like this, but you could definitely chalk on that if you want. And they stand up. Ta-da! So there's that. We have a bigger square box frame too, but I didn't get those yet, not this time. Let's see. What other? Oh, here are the blocks, the block sets. There's 3 of them. This one, the bottom one is, it looks like 11 by 4. And then we have one that is 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this one is 4 by, looks like 4.5. They have transfers that you can put on these, on all 3 of these, and you can stack them on top of each other. They'll stand up, or you could do them separately, and it's double-sided. Cool. Oh, let's see. What else do I have here? Transfers. I'll do those last. I know I'm making a lot of noise. I've got a lot of shipping paper I'm just throwing on the floor. Some new colors and some old colors. We always get a new catalog. We get new paste that goes with the season. And we just are ending up with our colors from the summer, the spring and summer catalog. Let's see, we had Tulip, Pistachio, Shimmer Splash, Shimmer Melon. Oh, there's one other one. Can't think of the other one right now. But now the En Vogue colors, I believe this is En Vogue, is a Shimmer Pumpkin. Can you see that? The shimmer in that? Isn't that pretty? For the fall and Halloween. That's pretty. I like that. And we have it, this is just a regular, we'll have it all year round, berry. And that's pretty. It's kind of a medium purple. I like that. And then I got some Storm, just because I needed some Storm. That's an old color. And a new thing they're getting now is you can buy single paste packets. You don't have to buy a whole 6 of the same color or a whole box. You can still buy a box of them, but if you want to try out some colors before you actually get the 3-ounce jar like this, we now have this. And I got Guava, Colonial Blue, and Couture Coral. So try these out, and just like all the sample packs, you just squeeze it back and forth like that versus mixing it like you would in a jar. And then you just clip the corners, squeeze it out like we have metal trays you can squeeze it out on, and then just chalk as usual. You don't have to have our trays. You could put it on Tupperware, plate, anything you want to do it on. It actually goes quite a way, so if you open one up, you might want to get several projects going to work on. And if you have some left, just get a container you can put it in with a cover that you can seal it. Or you can always take your single packet and bend it down and put a paper clip on it. But I wouldn't leave it like that for very long. And we got magnets. And these will go real good on the back of this if you don't want to do them double-sided. And then they can go on the refrigerator. They can go on any kind of metal. So that's cool. It doesn't have to go on that. This can go on a lot of things. We do have our regular Aiden chalkboards that are magnetic. They're porcelain steel chalkboard. They're a little bit more pricey. They're in the starter kit, a 9x12 one, but I have some that I got in the very beginning, and I keep using them over and over. And being a magnet, you could add stuff to it. Let's see, what else did I get? I got a pillow cover. That's not new, but I wanted one, so I got that. And right, now let's go to the transfers. What about this one on our board and base or our Bristow spinning sign? Flannel and football. You can make the flannel in your like high school colors, college colors, whatever, or your protein colors. I thought that was really cute. And it's an A size, so it's only $9.99. That's not bad. Okay, these will fit perfectly in here, and I love this. The only sarcasm burned calories, or if only. Step away from the fridge. I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? I'm not arguing, I'm explaining why I'm right. These last two are me. Alright, what, oh gosh. Alright, I've got, oh, this is cool. I'll have to try this. You could do this as is, you could do a wreath around it. Our life, our story, our home. You could use any of our fonts and put your last name on there. So there's that. This is what I was talking about, to go on these simple shapes. Where did I put them? See, they go perfect. Of course, you're not limited just to this. You can take any transfer if it fits on here, and use it. But I think these were made specifically to fit on here. Look at Alexa, fold the laundry. If you feed them, they will come. Happiness is homemade. That's me. I love homemade. You take the time to do something. It just means a lot. It's special. So there's that one. And these will also fit on here for holiday. Fall is in the air. Hello, pumpkin. Gratitude, gather, and gobble. Now that one is called Autumn Sayings. The other one was Homemade Sayings. I should give you the names of all of these. Let's see. Life Story Home. This one is A Little Sass. And Flannels and Football. I think I've got you a little bit crooked. Now's a nice time to figure that out. Okay. And this one, where's the name on here? Here it is. Stackable house cutouts. So you can use this on your, however long your sign is, and you can make it like 3 stories high with this. You have a lot of add-ons here you could put on here. We have leaves, some brick, chimneys, doors, welcome to our home, love is spoken here, some flowers and windows and a roof. So build your own house. This, I think, would look awesome in anybody's kitchen. I'm going to put it this way so you can see it. Would eat here again. 5, well, almost 4.5 stars. Almost 5. Kitchen, self-serve, open 24 hours. Self-serve. Make your own. Be at home. Okay. Oh, and here's a huge, it's instead of a big wood welcome sign, you could make this with home on it, with a couple of wreaths. You could use these wreaths instead of the O. And bless our could go on top and then home, or you could do a long one to go inside. There's a lot of options there, and I like these wreaths too. Even if you don't use it with this, these are nice by themselves. And that is called Bless Our Home Wreath. And this one I thought would make a really pretty pillow. It's just family love. Simple sometimes is better. And here's a new striped, woven stripe pattern is the name of it. I got this specifically, of course you could use it for anything, for this lumbar pillow. It's a 12 by 24 pillowcase. And I think that's it. Cool. My next order will be holidays, but I just want to get on here real quick and show you some of these goodies. Some new stuff they came up with. This is really good, especially, and I think they're $2.49 for each little packet. Try out the color. Try out the chalk. See if you like it, and you're not out that much money. Another thing you can do too, of course, I keep showing everybody this, but this sample is awesome. And it's a good way to find out, again, if you like it. Very affordable. It's under $8. And it's a little tag. And there is a ribbon in here. I think it's underneath. Yeah. It's a black and white check ribbon. The tag and the squeegee. And Shimmer Shadow, which is a shimmer black. And a small transfer, Home Sweet Home. It tells you your instructions, and I'll even send a little note in the mail with it. So, yeah, I'll put my links on the bottom of this, and you can check it out if you want. Or you can message me and just say, sample please. Or you would like the link for my designer, to become a designer or Club Couture. So that's it, guys. It's fun. Now I gotta get busy playing with this stuff. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.